All right, guys, exciting day. We have the turkey shelter built and we're bringing them outside. It's happening. Goats, turkeys. They're like, get up. Also, say hello to our new buck, or our only buck. This is Toby. He is about the same age as the other ones, and he's a little bit bigger. But he is fresh in here today. Just getting along with him pretty well. I'm sure he'll be bouncing around in no time. Why you gotta steer them all away? Why you gotta do that? Man, these goats don't even care that we just brought the turkeys into their run. Now, Toby being, oh, there we go, playing. About 8 weeks, give or take a few days. Yeah, he is fertile, obviously, and he can breed, but Cupcake is not old enough yet, so they're not split up yet. Next couple days, I'm gonna build the fence to separate these two. We don't plan on breeding her until, you know, early winter. That way she's old enough and big enough to carry, you know, the babies. And hopefully in late spring, early summer, we'll have some babies. I think we're gonna push it back a little bit further because we don't want to have them when it's still freezing out. That way it gives us a little bit warmer temperatures for the new kids that are coming on the farm. Buck life. I am the only buck. I'm a buck and I like to jump. So since we just picked up Toby yesterday, we don't want Cupcake to get pregnant too early. So we're going to split this pen, this run up. Right now I'm just going to use the same fencing as on the outside and some T-posts, and that should be good. If not, see, we'll have to beef it up later on, but this is what we're gonna do for now. Now, since we're securing the fence to the house, which is wood, and then the fence over there, which is the 4x4s, they're just lateral, so we're gonna do a vertical 2x4 on each side. We're gonna wrap the fence around that and then secure it to the building. These black flies are ridiculous. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.